Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin at the app. Sign in an open target circle so the barcode is ready. Once done, activate any offers you want applied. This ensures discounts automatically link to your transaction. Make sure your phone's brightness is up so the scanner reads the barcode. Move to a self-checkout kiosk and begin scanning items immediately. This avoids delays and keeps offers attached to the same order. If you use Wallet, pull up the saved barcode now so it's accessible when prompted. You continue by scanning every item and watching the subtotal update. This helps you catch errors early. When the kiosk prompts for loyalty or asks for barcode, choose the option that reads target circle or other barcode. Then present your phone screen so the scanner reads the circle barcode. Hold it steady about 6 to 12 inches away and tilt slightly if needed. Once the terminal beeps and the discount appears, verify that offers applied to specific items. This prevents surprises at payment time. You finish by reviewing the final screen to confirm all target circle discounts are applied before choosing your payment method. This saves redoing transactions. If the barcode won't scan, try increasing brightness, cleaning the screen, or switch to manual entry where the number is typed in. If that still fails, flag an attendant and show your circle offers an app for immediate help. Keep the receipt or digital confirmation in case a discount was missed, so you can request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.